guys, we're at lesson 2-1, combining like terms. This is video 3, so let's get started. So terms, okay, terms that have the same variable raised to the same power, those are said to be like terms. So let's go in and underline that. Like terms are same variable, same power. And we can add or subtract, or we can combine like terms. So if we had these two terms, 8x squared plus and 10x squared, these are like terms because they have the same variable with the same power. When you combine like terms, you simply add or subtract the coefficient. That's the number in front of the variable, however the problem instructs you to do. Now we're going to identify what kind of expression we have and the parts of an expression on these down here in example 4, but it's highlighted. We're going to highlight this right here because it's very important that we always simplify. Okay, before you identify any of the parts of an expression, you simplify it before you give and put it in standard form. That's descending order before you start talking about the parts of an expression. So let's do the example 4 that we have here. Okay, it says simplify the following expression and tell whether the resulting expressions are monomials, binomials, or etc. So we're going to look at this. If it has like terms, same variable, same exponent, we can add them together by adding the coefficients. So 8 plus 10. We can add those together because both of these terms have x squared. Same variable, same exponent. So that would be 18x squared. If we look at this and we want to determine whether it's a polynomial, what type of polynomial it is. Is it a monomial, a binomial, a trinomial? What is it? This one has one term, and if you recall, mono means one, so that's a monomial. And guys, when I write with this thing, I'm learning this tool, so you will have to be patient with me. It does not look very good. My handwriting's awful with this. Okay, so we're going to look at this one here. We have 3 terms we think, but we got to combine the like terms to see how many we really have. So same variable, same exponent. This one has an exponent of 1, but these two terms, negative 8x squared and a positive 10x squared, they have the same variable raised to the same exponent. So we combine those together. Negative 8 plus 10 would be 2. 2x squared. We're going to write that one first because you want to put it in standard form. That means descending order on the exponents. And then we put those two together, so we're left with a 5x. Nothing to add with that, so it would be plus, because it's positive, 5x. And we look at how many terms do we have here. There are 2, so it is a binomial. And you can hear my little dogs over there in the background because I'm out on my deck and they wanted to come out. Now they're crying and wanting to go back inside. Tough for them. So let's go down to the next example. On this one, it's a you try. So all I want you to do on this is simplify the polynomials, then look at it, make sure it's in standard form, and tell me whether it's a monomial, binomial, what kind of polynomial that is. And once you're finished, pause and check your solutions. Be prepared with any questions that you might have, and I will see you on the next video.